see Olivo or Jimenez go out there and talk to him, and immediately they start pounding the strike zone again.
Base hit center field. Adam Jones got a good arm. He charges. They send Olivo. Play at the plate. Here we go. And he makes contact with Wieters and scores as the ball gets through. It pats him on the back, but he scores the run, and the game is tied at 1-1.
Well, nice piece of hitting by Jack Wilson. He gets a pitch out over the plate, hits it hard back up the middle, and as Dave mentioned, wow. That's another one, Dan. That could have been bad right there.
Yeah, I winced up here in the box when I saw it because Wieters had his leg turned. You want to point your toe down that third baseline. Instead, he had it pointed out to the pitcher's mound, and it just looked like that could have been a disaster right there. He gets his foot caught in the wrong spot, and again, your knee doesn't bend that way. It's lucky that he was able to give with Miguel right there, because that could have